Manufacturers are continually challenged to optimize their manufacturing process and improve operating equipment effectiveness. Implementing the right feeding and handling system is essential to meet these targets. Yet without robust feeding and handling at the starting point, the whole line will break down. For more than 6 decades, Afag has brought state-of-the-art technology and innovation to the manufacturing industry, providing the superior products you rely on to keep your line running at peak optimization. Now, as a part of Emerson, you'll continue to receive the outstanding precision, quality, and reliability that's been our hallmark, but with the added benefit of a stronger, more international, and broader portfolio of solutions opening the door to greater possibilities. Together, we're pairing Afag's unmatched feeding and handling automation solutions with Emerson's pneumatic motion technology to provide a level of efficiency unrivaled throughout the industry. Designed to meet the needs of industries ranging from automotive to life science, medical, and pharmaceutical industries, our high-quality feeding and handling components and systems enable the implementation of consistent, precise, and flexible automated solutions. Each aspect is uniquely designed to increase productivity and OEE, improve sustainability and reduce waste, maximize reliability, and improve worker and functional safety across their entire operation. Together, we can provide you with the stability, reliability, and service you need to fulfill your long-term contracts throughout the market. At Emerson, we drive innovative floor-to-cloud solutions that help manufacturers achieve their most ambitious goals. Our industry-leading expertise and innovative portfolio empower smarter factories and more efficient processes, so you can continuously improve productivity, sustainability, and safety.